So, alright. Looks like Skate Park 1. Us, none. Got a little bit of footage. Broke shock tower. Pulled out. Not sure if the diff case is okay or not. Probably just swap it out. Grab a new shock tower. And my servo mount's broke. This is the new servo I got. I had to mangle some. I should just print something, but whatever. I'll swap that back out and we'll get that slipper clutch run. Or slipper clutch run. Man, I can speak today. Hopefully later tonight. Ran good though. Maybe I'll put the sway bars on the e-machine. I don't know. Time to clean up and fix it. I'll be back when I'm set up. Alright, so a little closer look.
Whoa, that was awesome.
Let me turn that down a little bit. Yeah, we broke the shock tower. It's alright, we got spares. Or the diff. Alright. Obviously the wing came off, so we got shock, diff cap, and the wing finally snapped, so that was fighting me every single time it fell off. So I'm not losing any sleep on that thing. Still pretty cold out there. We didn't stay out there long. Especially after breaking this guy, first 30 seconds I got my fingers on it. Dang it. Oh well, what are you gonna do? quick solder in. I gotta cut it out. I burned myself like 3 times. Put a new battery strap. We got the metal shock tower or metal diff top. It's the only one we got left. So no more rear sway bar on this one. I will. So that quick bash, I really did it, man. My bolts aren't coming out. I'll probably drill them out later and then put that back on. But I want to get this running. All right. All right. Better than ever. Onto the E-machine. So the only thing I did to this guy was I broke the servo mounts, and I kind of knew that was going to happen. Sucks because I, rewired the whole. Got it nice and clean over here. Oh well, what are you going to do? Excuse me. While we're at it, I can't use the rear sway bar on WL, so I'm going to put it on this one, and I'll have 2 front sway bars for now until I get another diff. So funny that when you turn the servo, it generates a volt. You see the, see it? It's miracle power. Okay, I don't remember which of these was good. They're identical. Yeah, that's the one. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. That one back on. What I do with my wiring is red is wire, black is frame. So if there's black zip tie, that means it's to the frame. Red is just wire harness. I did that in the corporate world forever too. not necessarily red and black. That's just what I got here. But general good rule of thumb whenever you're doing something like that. That way you can just look and see, okay, if I take the black ones off, I can pull the whole harness off without removing it. That kind of mindset. So I got to put this back on. Just going to steer a little slower, but it is what it is. Make sure you zero your servo before putting it on. A little disappointed with this breaking so early today, but it was something I knew was going to break anyways. I knew I was mangling it. Look at that gyro go. Awesome. Alright. We're ready to rip tonight, I think. Bring some tires. Who knows what they're running on. The goal is to not crash. That's it. I don't care how slow I am. I don't need to do no jumps. Well, race jumps is fine, but I'm not doing no tricks like skate park stuff. I think this is going to be my racer. The WLs will be our bashers. Not that I'm really racing, but. Alright. No cog. Hopefully I can get some film footage tonight at the track. Alright, that's all she wrote. Hopefully I condense it down where it's manageable. Till the next time, like and subscribe. Whoa, that was awesome! Did you see that, Lord? Uh-oh, I think I broke my servo.